Well guys, here we have something that I got to make my videos, even better and smoother. Let's open it, let's see what it is. Okay, give me 1 second, let me just cut this real quick. Okay, let's see. Okay, it's open. Oh, I love this. It's not. Okay, whatever. That's the way. Okay. Okay, what is that? And here it is, guys. I got me a gimbal. It's compatible for Hero 4, 3, Hero 5. Make sure, guys, if you want to get the same one, make sure it says new. That's the new version, version 2. Supposedly comes with a padding where you don't hear the machine, the, how do you call that, the mechanism moving around, and when you make your videos, because in the previous one, when it turned, you can see the thing turning, so it will mess up your videos. So make sure you get version 2. Okay. So pretty much this is self-explanatory, is to make the video smoother. Okay, that's the back of it. Now let's open it. Let's see what brings inside. Also, this is for the casing for the GoPro, where you can put your GoPro in it, and this is where the battery comes. Okay. All right, let's see. Let's open this. Okay, so that's open. The usual. It brings hello. Instruction manuals. G5, how to use it. The usual. All right, we don't need that. I've seen a lot of reviews online, so I don't need that. Okay. So now the reason why I got this one is, one, because it's really good. I was gonna get the Karma from GoPro, but I heard that the battery only lasts a half hour. This one, I think it says 12 hours or something like that, and it's really small, as you can see. Look, this is real small, so that's where it comes. Here it is. Let me see what this is. Hold on a second, guys. Okay, my mistake. This is the thing. Let me see. Hold on. So this is the batteries. Is it? Oh, let me see. Yeah, that's the batteries, the USB cables, and the adapters. This is the counterweight, because you have to add this for the GoPro 5. They gave you an extra weight to. It's made for the GoPro 5, so you can put it in. It works. It supposedly makes the gimbal work better. So that's that. All right. So here is the gimbal. Hold on a second. Okay. All right. So here it is. Gimbal. Here you have to control it. Up and down. The joystick right here. And this is to keep it steady, to turn on. Here is where you're going to add the extra weight. No, I'm sorry, right here, I think. I have to check. And what I really like is that it also comes with this. This is like a stand, so you can open it and, set, and then this screws right into here. That goes right into here, and also you can work for other tripods if you have. Look, right there. I currently don't have my GoPro here. I have it in my car, but I'm definitely gonna take this right now and going to see how it works. So once it's in the the GoPro is in here, I will come back for it and record videos, and I'll make sure to post videos how the before and after with this thing. Okay. Hold on a second. Hold on. Before anything, let me put the weight so you see what I'm talking about. Hold on 1 second. Okay, so right here is where you unscrew the thing. Oh, hold on a second. Damn, it's so hard to do it with one hand. Okay. All right. So there. All right. So there. So this weight right here goes in there, and then you're gonna put this right here again, and like so. So I took it out, put the weight in there, I touch this, screw it. So all right guys, so I'm currently getting ready. Once I'm in my car, I will mount the GoPro. The GoPro, you put it right here, and this is the thing where you screw to make it, you know, to make it tight. And once it's power on, you know, this is how you record it, and it will make your video smooth. You know, you go like this. All right, so okay guys, so I'm in my car. So the gimbal is already mounted. Well, the GoPro is already mounted. So basically the way you do it is you unscrew those two screws right here, one right there and the other one there. You loosen them up, and then you put the GoPro, and then you tie them, of course. And then the battery, the little thing, you unscrew here, screw here, and put it on, and then this is how you turn on the GoPro. So now the GoPro is already on. So if you guys see this, you see how I turn it on? So if you guys see that now with this, with the joystick, I can move it up, I can move it down, I go like that, like that. Now the next video you guys are gonna see is with the GoPro with the gimbal on, okay?
Tell me, can you see the stars?